What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use your coupon on Bitget app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you don't have a Bitget app, then go to Play Store and install the Bitget. After installing the Bitget, open the app and sign in with email or a phone number, whatever you want, and then verify yourself. After verifying yourself, click on the top left corner on a menu button here and then click on a rewards here. And if you don't have a coupon, then scroll down and complete the task and then collect a coupons here. And now click on a coupon center here. If you have a coupons, then your coupon will show up here. Simply click on a coupon and then click on use and then go back and click on trading here. Then simply buy a USDT. If you have a 50% USDT coupon, then you will get discount on USDT. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.